Hello everyone and welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to add subscribe button on Instagram. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. For now, allow me to just switch to another Instagram account. Once you are on your Instagram, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the button that says Edit Profile. And then in here, you'll be redirected to this window. Now tap on Set Up Action button. Now tap on Manage Action button. Now tap on Custom Lead Form, then tap on Next to create a form. Now tap on Back or Save. Once you are done, you'll now be asked to set up an action button. In here, go back, then select a partner. In here, add an order button depending on your preference. Now go back to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings and Privacy. Then in here, scroll down, then tap on Help. In here, if there is no subscribe button over at Instagram, you are going to report a problem. In here, tap on Don't Include and Continue. Then on the description box, you can type in here the problem that you have, which is not having a subscribe button to be allowed on your profile. Go ahead, take your time in typing. Or you could also wait for me to finish typing, then you can copy what I'm writing here. Then the next step is to tap on Send on the upper right. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.